Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Marichi Umpupo, 38 years old, married, and have one daughter. I finished studying a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and I'm ex-abroad, work in United Arab Emirates.
Okay, and you work in United Arab Emirates as a
Domestic helper.
How many years?
4 years, sir.
4 years. Okay, and for 4 years that you worked there, did you serve 2 employers or 1 employer?
Only one employer.
One employer, okay. When did you go to UAE?
I go there last January 2010 to December 31, 2014.
Okay, and how many were there in the family?
They are 8 them all. My madam, my sir, 5 children, and 1 grandma.
Okay,
which
and
I take.
you take care of the grandma?
Yeah.
Okay, and how old is the grandma?
My grandma there is 94 years old.
94 years old. Okay, and how about these 5 children?
The 5 children, the oldest one is married already, and
How old is she?
she's 22 years old.
Okay.
And then 18 years old, and 16, and then
10?
10, and 20 years old.
Okay. Okay, 22, 20, 18, 16, and 10.
10 years old.
Okay. And do they have other maids inside the house?
Yeah, sir, I have Indonesian, sir.
One Indonesian.
Yeah, one.
And what's the responsibility of the Indonesian?
They cook and clean also the house.
Okay, and how about you? What are your duties?
My duties, in the morning I wake up, I fix myself, and then the grandma,
Yes, go on.
and then the grandma, I'm taking care of her, taking bath, take a bath, and then change diaper, change clothes, do the personal hygiene, sir.
Okay, personal hygiene like
Like,
brushing the teeth?
yeah, brushing the teeth, change diaper,
Hmm?
cutting fingernails,
Mhm.
like that, sir.
Okay. And do you do also some household chores here?
Yeah, sir. If grandma sleep, I do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, like that, sir.
Okay, very good. And you mentioned that you have a daughter, right?
Yes, sir.
How old is she?
My daughter is 10 years old.
10 years old. Okay. And who's going to take care of your daughter when you work in Hong Kong?
My sister, sir, will take care of my daughter, sir, and
Okay.
I work in Hong Kong.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong so that I earn money and I support my family's needs, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of newborn babies,
Yeah, I'm willing, sir.
children,
Willing, sir.
elderly, disabled, and bedridden person?
Willing, sir.
You're willing.
Yeah,
Okay.
very much.
How about dogs and cats?
No, sir. I am afraid.
You're afraid?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you sing a children's song for us?
Yes, sir. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. We all clap hands together.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employers: please select me as your helper because I am kind, honest, and hardworking.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Mariche Ompoko, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.